In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on online booking in Vagaro, a process that will streamline your business operations and make it far more accessible and convenient for your clients to book appointments with you anytime and anywhere. Let's dive in. First things first, you'll need to navigate to the Vagaro website. This is the hub where you'll manage all aspects of your business, including the crucial online booking settings we're focusing on today. Once you're on the Vagaro website, you'll notice a login button located at the top right corner of the page. Go ahead and click on that. This step is your gateway to accessing your Vagaro business account. After clicking on login, you'll be presented with a few options for how to proceed. For the sake of convenience and security, we recommend clicking on login with Google. This option allows you to use your existing Google account credentials, simplifying the login process. Next up, you'll be prompted to select your Google account. Choose the account you wish to use for your Vagaro login. Make sure it's the account you're comfortable using for business transactions and communications. After successfully logging in using your Google account, you'll be directed to your Vagaro dashboard. Here, look for a button or link that says Go to My Business. Clicking on this will take you to the back end of your Vagaro business profile, where much of the magic happens. Now to the core of today's instructional video, activating online booking. To get started, you need to access your settings. To do this, look for the Settings option. In Vagaro, this is typically accessible via a straightforward link or button, often symbolized by a gear icon or similar. You may find it in your dashboard or within a drop-down menu. Upon entering the settings, navigate to Booking. This section is dedicated to all things booking related and is where you will make the necessary adjustments to enable or modify your online booking rules. In the booking section, locate and click on the link or button for Online Appointment Rules. This is where you'll define how your clients can book appointments, specifying availability, lead times, and any rules specific to your services or business operations. Once you're in the Online Appointment Rules area, it's time to customize the settings to suit your business needs. This could involve defining how far in advance appointments can be booked, setting up approval requirements for new clients, or adjusting your availability to reflect your current schedule. Take your time to review all available settings and make the changes that best reflect your operational preferences and capacities. Finally, after making all the necessary adjustments to enable online booking and fine-tuning the rules to your satisfaction, don't forget to save your changes. Look for the Save button, which is typically located at the bottom or top right corner of the settings page. Clicking it will apply all your adjustments, effectively turning on online booking for your Vagaro business. And voila, you've successfully activated online booking on Vagaro. With this feature enabled, your clients can now effortlessly book appointments with you online, a convenience that benefits both you and them. Not only does this make your business more accessible, but it also significantly reduces the administrative load on you and your staff, automating what used to be a time-consuming process. Before we wrap up, a few additional tips to ensure the best possible experience for you and your clients. Regularly update your availability in Vagaro to reflect any changes in your schedule or offerings. This keeps your online booking accurate and prevents any scheduling conflicts. Familiarize yourself with all the online booking settings and features Vagaro offers. The more you know, the better you can utilize the platform to benefit your business. Consider communicating to your clients that they can now book their appointments online. A quick email, social media post, or mention during their next visit can go a long way in encouraging them to use this new feature. That's all for today's tutorial. By following these steps, you've not only made it easier for your clients to engage with your services, but you've also taken a significant step towards optimizing your business operations. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips and tutorials to help your business thrive. Until next time.